the speed. Kasi I drink a lot of coffee and then, you know, after an hour and a half drive,
Another cleanse.
it feels good na you pee and then you're gonna replenish water again. Yeah. Pero si Father tinitiis, ayaw minom. Nauhaw lang ako kasi nagkape tayo. Yeah. Ayos. Okay. Okay naman sa likod. They're resting well. Turn on natin ang mga team. Na-try mo nga dyan, Beb, kung gumagana?
Yeah.
Try mo.
I did.
In my skin. Eto guys, nakasalamin nga na pala ako. Hindi nyo na makita ang aking mata na. Pero yung, umiilag yung tako. Yung ating yung ating hindi na nagtatrack ng mata kasi hindi naka-on yung ating satellite ang tawag doon? Blue Cruise. Hindi naka-on, naka-ano na siya yung basic hands-free. Ewan ko, hindi siguro makuha kasi malakas yung fog right now. So naka-ano lang tayo, basic hands-free. Ang galing, hindi ko ito bahay. Yeah, ayun. Okay guys, magdadrive pa tayo ng 1 hour. 72 miles pa to. Papuntang Costco, magpapagas tayo doon. Wala pang half tank tayo. Wala pa. But I think when we get there, half tank na to. Lalagyan lang natin dust to make sure, you know? Wala naman diferensya yun eh. Tapos pa uwi pagas ulit. Yeah. Mura yung gas doon, walang tax. Yeah. $3 lang, hindi $4. Yeah. Ayun. Okay. Ito, putik ang dilim, oh. Di ba kita yung daanan? Maliwanag siya pero yung fog talaga, it's hard to see the road. Kaya babagal ng sasakyan. I hope sa dinami-dami na sinabi ko narinig nyo kasi maingay yung radyo natin. Si Engelbert na maingay. Yan. We'll see kasi tinitesting pa natin tong camera. We'll see kung mako-cover nyo yung salita ko kasi maraming mic daw to eh. I don't know. Wala pa kami yung wireless mic. Maybe soon. Kapag nag-view kayo ng marami. Hindi. Maglabas tayo ng lata. Kasi may maglagay, mapang-ipon yun. And then may pabili tayo ng microphone. Mahal ng microphone, parang camera din. Sandaan. Yung wireless. Pero sobrang linaw siya. Saka kahit malayo ka, you can hear the voice. Saka malinaw, crispy. Kasi quality yung Anyways. Yan. Tapos pwede mo itong camera na to, you can put 2 microphone wireless. Yung GoPro only 1. Yeah. And yeah, yun na, testing lang natin. Sige na, we're saving yung yung memory kasi wala pa kaming extra SD card. Mayroon kami 3 batteries but yung SD card natin is only 5 hours of 4K. But you know, so that's the goal. We have to make sure bago kami pumunta ng California, we have extra SD card, at least 128 or 256 gigabyte. And then, wasak. And then kailangan din is quality yung card kasi 4K yung nilalagay natin video. So medyo may gulo din sa likod kasi si Grandma hindi niya malipat yung hindi niya malipat yung video. Yeah. Okay guys, wala nang idadagdag si Pader, tahimik pa rin. Mananood na sa video kahit kala mo Pader nakikita ka na lahat yan naka wide angle to eh. So kita makikita tayo lahat dito, ha? Sa bawal mangulangot, bawal lumawak kung saan-saan, you know? Kasi makikita tayo sa camera. Upload sa YouTube. Tapos di natin alam kung sino nanonood doon. Pero okay lang, you know? Yeah. Sa mga English, sa mga English subscribers natin, sorry guys, just turn on the auto translation. Yeah. I cannot translate all the things that I've said in Tagalog because sometimes there's no conversion. That's my excuse, but there is.
And the
But
joke is not funny, translated in English.
yeah, they just accept my excuses. Alright. But to our subscribers, good news. Kasi we have a new camera. Remember, you guys are requesting yung sa Great Wolf, yung the music. We can record more, and we have a better camera. It's a low light, sensitive. So the dark videos that we just uploaded from GoPro, it will be bright and clearer. And we're not gonna stop yung video. We're gonna keep playing it so you guys can watch the full program dun sa, what is that, babe? Hustle and Howling. Yeah, that was the evening event there. We're gonna go there on March. Next week, March.
March 9 and 10.
9 and 10.
So Sunday to Monday.
Sunday to Monday, okay? So yun lang guys, that's all. And then yeah, we're gonna keep uploading until forever. Until forever, kasi yung video, it will last forever, and then the kids will watch it someday, and then the kids will watch it, and then you know, it'll keep going on, because you cannot turn back time, but you can record it. Yeah, you can record it, you cannot turn back time. See? Yeah. Yun lang. Whatever happened in the past, you will laugh at it in the future. You know? So life is good, enjoy it, and God is good all the time. Okay guys, see you later.
Bye.